picked up this Stanley 2-cup cook set, so let's take a look. What's up, happy campers? Same day, different episode. Let's go. It says here, Stanley has survived -70-degree wind chill, speeding bullets, 4,000 foot drops in Category 5 hurricanes. That's not this item, that's just the brand. Stainless steel, BPA free, locking pot handle, nesting system, dishwasher safe. So that includes vented pot lid, 2 nesting cups, a 10 ounce and a 0.29 liter, and a 24 ounce pot. There's our lid. Got a little flip up handle right there. Some little vents on each side. Some papers, because you know, somebody probably burnt themselves somewhere because they didn't know what they were doing. Oh, I like that. So the handle locks into place like so. Okay, 2 cups. It's a plastic cup. That's your BPA free. They're designed so that they'll both fit together. They're insulated, so you can pour some hot coffee into them. I think we need to make some coffee. Somebody asked, can I make 2 cups of coffee with my Java drip from GSI? And I'm gonna say that with this whole setup, yes. Yes, we can. I just love the adhesives they have to put on items. That was total sarcasm. 24 ounce pot, 2 10 ounce cups, and 1 vented lid. Nice. Has the measurements on there. So it's printed there on the outside, but when you're looking at it from this angle, you can see the marks. The writing is backwards, but at least you can pay attention to where you're filling up your water or whatever fluid you're using. Well, now I think I'm gonna have to make some coffee, or hot cocoa, or ramen. Okay, so this little metal tab right here, if you want to close it up, you push that further out, then you can squeeze these together, bring those around. Now it's all locked in place. at that. Almost 2 perfect cups right up to the little lines inside. Ta-da! There you go. Consider the Wonders. I made 2 cups of coffee. If y'all haven't watched or subscribed to Consider the Wonders, please check them out on YouTube. They're friends of ours, and we really enjoy chatting with them. Is it recording?
Yep.
You recording?
Yep.
You're recording your curly hair. No, you can't twist. All right, happy campers. If you like episodes about camping gear, like checking out campsites, campgrounds, and all forms of camping, from tents, hiking, RVing, please subscribe to us. We'd be happy to have you around. We really appreciate you. And hey, happy camping, y'all. Watch out for muddy puddles. No, I just finished. Now I'm filming you, because guess what? It's golden hour. And you look good. Look at you. You're like a golden statue.